living the good life. Or are we? We all want to live a good life, to treat ourselves, buy the things we want, enjoy ourselves. And when we start to make a little more money, maybe get that raise at work or a promotion, it's only natural to want to enjoy the fruits of our labor, right? But sometimes, without even realizing it, we can get caught up in this thing called lifestyle creep. It sneaks into our lives little by little, and before we know it, we're stuck in a cycle of working more to earn more to spend more. What exactly is lifestyle creep, and how can we avoid it? Let's dive in. Before we do, please take the time to like and subscribe to the channel. By liking and subscribing to our channel, you're not just supporting us, you're investing in your own financial future. Our content is designed to empower you with knowledge and tools to make informed financial decisions. With each like and subscription, we're able to create more valuable content, reach a wider audience, and continue our mission of promoting financial literacy. So hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's build a thriving community of financially savvy individuals together. So, what exactly is lifestyle creep? It's that sneaky thing that happens when our desires start to outpace our income. We get a little raise and suddenly we're thinking about a new car, a bigger house, fancier clothes. It's natural to want to treat ourselves, to enjoy the fruits of our labor. But lifestyle creep is like a slow and steady drip, drip, drip that can erode our financial foundations if we're not careful. It's about recognizing those moments when we're tempted to spend more just because we can, not because it aligns with our long-term goals and values. It's about being mindful and intentional with our money, even when we find ourselves with a little more of it. Lifestyle creep, my friends, it's more than just a fancy term. It's a real danger that can derail our dreams if we let it. Think about it. When we let our expenses rise with every raise, we're essentially living paycheck to paycheck, no matter how much we earn. We get trapped in this cycle of needing more and more to maintain this lifestyle we've created. But here's the thing. Life throws curveballs. What happens if there's an unexpected job loss, a medical emergency, or the economy takes a downturn? Suddenly, that lifestyle we've built can come crashing down, leaving us in a mountain of debt. Protect yourselves. The first step to conquering anything in life, whether it's lifestyle creep or any other challenge, is to understand it. We have to be honest with ourselves about where our money is going. And I know, looking at our bank statements can be scary, but trust me, it's an important step. There are so many great apps and tools out there these days that make it easier than ever to track our spending. And once we see those patterns, those areas where we might be overspending without even realizing it, that's when the real transformation can begin. Now let's talk about goals. You know I love a good goal. But here's the thing about goals. They need to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. We need to write them down, make them real. Instead of just saying, I want to be financially secure, get specific. How much money do you need to feel secure? What steps can you take today, this week, this month to get there? Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Let's turn those wishes into reality. One of the biggest temptations with lifestyle creep is the instant gratification factor. We want it all, and we want it now. But real wealth, real fulfillment, comes from delaying that gratification, from learning to be patient. Think about it. Wouldn't that dream vacation be even sweeter if you saved up for it, paid cash, and didn't have to worry about the credit card bill later? So, the next time you're tempted to make that impulse purchase, take a moment. Breathe. Ask yourself, do I really need this, or can I wait and save for something even better? Thank you for joining me on this journey today. Remember, building a life of financial freedom and abundance is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, it takes effort, but it's absolutely possible. And the most important thing is to be kind to ourselves along the way. We all make mistakes, we all have moments of weakness, but the key is to learn from those moments, to keep growing, to keep striving for better, because you deserve it. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out this video about the 7 baby steps to financial freedom. Thanks for watching.